Certainly something serious happened with the Zomato stocks in last few days and it started suddenly falling and showing a bearish trends. So please don't buy or sell these stocks until you know some of the facts about this one. Also, we'll tell you the short term and long term view about company's performance. Please watch till end. Namaste friends, wish you happy Republic Day. Welcome back to GyanVeda channel. This video we have made only for educational purpose. There is no recommendation for anyone as such. Let's take a look at the chart since this stock listed in July 2021. If you have seen, this started as a unicorn business in India with close to $5.5 billion market capitalization. IPO price was 76 rupees and it listed at around 126 rupees. In November 2021, it reached to the maximum 169 price. And what happened suddenly on 22nd of January? It touched the lower circuit or the 52-week low with 84 rupees just. So we can see that at present this stock is trading at around 40% down from the 52 weeks high price. Before going to the reasons why market must have fallen, let's take a look at quick history of this market share of Zomato. If we see in late 2020, the market share of Zomato with app was close to 70% in Indian market. But what happened in 2022 at the beginning? The market share is just around 45%. Swiggy, which was just less than 10% market share earlier, now grown to 45% share. Uber Eats was a player which was eventually acquired by Zomato. Let's talk about Zomato's financial aspects. If we see the data for last 5 quarters, we can see there is consistently increase in the gross order price, then the sales and the revenue as well. So you can see, but same time, if you see the net profit of the company, it is still not positive and eventually it has increased to some extent here. Zomato's main income comes from food delivery business in India. If we see the data of 2019, this market was estimated to be 2.9 billion US dollars. In 2020, this market was estimated close to 4.66 billion US dollars. Now, people are expecting this market to grow and will reach to 21.41 billion US dollars till 2026. If we see this data is correct, then it has to achieve the growth with 28 to 30% per annum. So you can see if this happens this way, there is a massive scope of growth in India. When we talk about independent food aggregators in India, we get only two names in mind, Zomato and Swiggy. Let's take a look at one statistics. On the date of 31st December 2021, Zomato reached to per day single order volume more than 2.5 million. So we can just imagine 25 lakh plus orders in single day. Same time, Swiggy also achieved this volume with 2 plus million orders on that single day. At one moment, company released the data like it booked more than 9,000 orders in single minute. So we can see like how this business is going and where is the scope. Everyone is saying that the Zomato stock is expensive, but how do you say that whether it is expensive or not? Why market is really giving so much capitalization or market valuation? Let's talk about Swiggy first. Swiggy raised some fundraising in July 2021. At around the same time, even Zomato got listed in India. If we see, the valuation for Swiggy was around 5.5 US billion dollars at that point of time. Later, when they were talking about another fundraising in November December 2021, the valuation was coming to 10 billion US dollars. Now, when actual fundraising happened, so fundraising happened around 700 million US dollars, and now the valuation is considered as 10.7 US billion dollars. This was the key reason why market was worried about Zomato stocks and it started failing. So what happened to Zomato? The valuation was around the same 5.5 billion US dollars in July 2021 when it got listed. So within 6 months, both Swiggy and Zomato got their valuation almost doubled. So now when Swiggy is getting additional funds from the anchor investors, so investors from Zomato are worried like what could happen to this competition and where the business from Zomato might get hurt. Anyone visited the channel for the first time, request you to please subscribe, like, share. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get notifications for our new financial videos. We know that Zomato and Swiggy both are into majorly in food delivery business, but same time they are increasing their business in grocery and other non-food delivery businesses as well. So major competition from Zomato is coming from Swiggy. Then Amazon is also working in this area, and there are many other organized and unorganized players in India. So major competition is coming, and we expect that much more competition will come in near future. Before we invest in any companies, we should be aware of the strengths and weakness of this company. Like in Zomato, there is consistent growth in the gross order price, then sales and revenue over last few quarters. The profit margin is still increasing. Company is still not profitable, but the margin is increasing. Company is with low debt, and FII and FEI shareholder is increasing in this company. Company is trying their hands in the non-food delivery business. If you think and are confident about this business theory, definitely there is value in future, but we don't know when actually the company will start making real profit. Same time, we should be aware of company's weaknesses. If we talk about Zomato, in this chart you must have seen the net profit is still declining mode. It is still not profitable. So company is looking like far from making the profit in real time. There is increasing competition in India, and definitely there will be much more players coming into this sector. Declining market share is another thing to worry about in Zomato, but however, company will give more budget for their marketing expenses and possibly they will retain their market share. Recently, we have seen mutual funds have reduced their share in this company, and currently this company is considered to have a expensive valuation in market. GyanVeda has many such videos on investment, mutual funds, stocks, IPO, insurance, tax, and so many things. So please subscribe, like, share with your friends. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get notifications for our new videos. If you have any doubts, questions, or want any specific videos on financial aspects, please do mention in the comment box. Definitely we will try to have new videos on those topics. Till then, thanks for watching. Happy investing. Dhanyavad.